Greetings from National Auto Sale in sunny South Florida. Up for sale today, this 2024 Chevrolet Trax RS model. Beautiful condition, sunroof, really nice shape, black with black interior, gray accents inside, really nice. Let's go ahead and give it a quick walk around. Then we'll take it panel by panel and look at the condition of the vehicle. Really nice shape. Okay, here we go. Let's take a look at the front bumper. Front bumper's in beautiful condition, looks super clean, really nice. Look at the lower lights, beautiful shape. Top lights also in beautiful condition, very nice. Grille, it's got the RS grille, which is a sporty one. There's the emblem right there, very nice. Take a look at the headlamp. On the driver's side, beautiful shape. Lower light, beautiful condition. Let's take a look at the hood. Hood's in beautiful shape. Looks clean throughout, very nice condition. Really nice shape. Let's have a tiny little mark here on the paint. Besides that, looks good. And another one right here. Besides that, looks very nice. Take a look at the front fender. Front fender on the driver's side, beautiful condition. Very nice. Front door, driver's side, beautiful condition. Clean throughout, no marks or anything like that. Take a look at the mirror. Mirror's in beautiful shape. Really amazing condition. Take a look at the rear door. On the driver's side, beautiful shape. Quarter panel on the driver's side, also in amazing condition. Clean throughout, very nice. Walking around the back. Rear bumper's in beautiful shape. Let's take a close look. Very nice condition, no marks on it, looks amazing. Take a look at the rear lights, beautiful shape. Rear hatch is also in beautiful condition, very nice. Take a look at the glass, really amazing condition, super clean throughout. Quarter panel on the passenger side, beautiful shape, looks amazing, very nice. Rear door on the passenger side, beautiful condition throughout, super clean, looks super nice. Does have a little mark here on the paint. We're going to touch that up for you, nothing major. Take a look at the front door on the passenger side, beautiful condition, clean throughout. Front fender on the passenger side, beautiful condition, clean throughout. Let's take a look at the windshield. Windshield's in beautiful shape. Let's have a small little mark right there. Another one right there. Tiny little chip, no big deal. Take a look at the roof. Glass looks good. Roof is in beautiful condition. Clean throughout, very nice. Really an amazing shape. All right, let's take a look at the windshield on this side. Beautiful shape. Little mark there on the windshield, nothing major. Besides that, it looks amazing. Okay, that concludes our walk around. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the interior. We'll be right back. Driver door panel's in beautiful shape. Take a look. Really amazing condition. Look at the controls. Armrest is in beautiful shape. It's got a little bit of storage there on the door. Take a look at the driver's seat. Looks amazing. Looks brand new. Look at that. Very nice condition. Full set of floor mats. Dashboard, steering wheel, everything looks brand new on this vehicle. Really amazing shape. Okay, we're taking a look at the passenger door panel in the front. Very nice condition, beautiful shape. Look at the controls. Handle looks beautiful. Armrest is in beautiful shape. Let's take a look at the passenger seat in the front. Really amazing condition. Looks brand new. Rugs are clean, full set of floor mats, dashboard, steering wheel, everything looks amazing. Really nice shape. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear driver's side door panel. Really beautiful condition. Very nice. Take a look at the armrest. Really amazing shape. Take a look at the rear seats. Beautiful condition. Very nice. Full set of floor mats. Looks amazing. Take a look at the liner. Liner looks brand new. Very nice. Okay, now we're taking a look at the rear passenger side Door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition. Look at the armrest. Very nice. A little bit of storage there on the door. Control for the power window. Look at the handle. Very nice condition. Rear seats. Beautiful shape. Clean throughout. Beautiful condition. Very nice. Okay, we're sitting inside this 2024 Chevrolet Trax RS model. Take a look at the key fob. Really nice. There's actually a modern key for the Chevys. Super nice. It's got lock, unlock, remote start, and panic. It's got a button here where you let out the key. This one, you insert the key here on the side. We're going to start her up. Starts up perfect. Look at that. Super nice. Okay, as you can see, all the gauges went up and down again. Really amazing. All right, let's take a look at some of the features on this one. So this one has the gauge. The gauges that are RS, which has the red on it, looks super sharp. Miles per hour, RPMs, fuel gauge, temperature gauge, trip computer. Very nice. Really nice condition. All right, let's take a look at some of the stuff on this here. Let's take a look at the miles first. This one has 17,435 miles. Really nice. Okay, so control for the turning signals. Super nice. This for the front and rear wipers. Now this one's amazing. This one has a collision alert here in the front. It's got a button right here. You can set the distance on it, so further away is better. It also has a heated steering wheel here. This is for the cruise control. This is actually for the radio, up and down here. Change the volume and all that stuff on there. Super nice. Speak commands for your Bluetooth. Automatic lights. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Super nice. Automatic transmission. It's got the RS package, so it has that little thing there. It says RS. So this one has the shifting on L, I believe. When you put it on L, you can shift here from side to side there. This one also has the automatic off on the engine. So when you have that like that, it actually turns it off. Otherwise, the vehicle will cut off every once in a while when it heats up and everything. And what it does is save fuel. So this is for your lane assist there. That's nice. Your parking brake. This one has heated seats for the front passengers, which is super nice. You always need that in the cold weather. Okay, control for the temperature. This is the recycled. Really nice. This is where the fan goes out and stuff here on this side. And this is for the rear defrost. Hazard. Down below here, you got your USBs and your power plug there. That's super nice. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at the steering wheel. Steering wheel's leather wrapped. Look at that. And it's got this on the bottom. It's not completely round. Looks amazing. Very sporty. It's got perforated here and then straight leather there. So nice. Let's look at the dashboard. Dashboard's in beautiful condition. Really amazing shape. Looks brand new. Very nice condition. Now this one, it still has a little plastic that goes on the screen here. Check it out. So you can take that off. So that screen's never been touched. Look at that. It's got a couple little bubbles there. But yep, it's been protected the whole time. And this one has 17,000 miles in it, so whoever had it took care of it because they never took that off. Super nice. Up above here, we have your OnStar. Let's go ahead and give it a try here. You got your little light here, courtesy light there. Let's try the sunroof really quick here. So nice. Let's bring it back again. You can see it's fully functional. Very nice. This one's here to pop up, put it back down. It's a nice feature. And this part here, the shade is, as you know, always manual. Really nice, beautiful condition. It's got a couple little tweeters there on those edges there. Looks super sharp. Really nice. Let's take a close look here. Door panels look amazing. Seats are in beautiful shape. Rugs are clean. Dashboard looks brand new. RS models, they're the ones that have little red here. Look at the vents on there. It looks super sharp. Really nice. Really amazing condition. All right, so let's take a look at the radio for a little bit. So we're going to go back to home. And on home there, we're going to go to audio, which where we just were. And then we can go to more. So this one has AM, FM, satellite radio, and Bluetooth from your phone. That's nice. So back to home again. If you're going to set up your phone, you click on phone right there. There's no phone connected, so regardless if you pair your phone, you can look at your phone from there. Wi-Fi settings, super nice. Settings for the vehicle. Okay, you have your system, your hotspot, all the preferences, all that stuff. Apps, of course, it has Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Really nice to have that. The audio, rear seat reminder, because you have a small child or whatever, you want to make sure to turn that on. Collision detection, let's go ahead and check what we have on this one. This one has forward collision system and pedestrian detection in the front. Really nice. Then we have the lighting, the power locks, the teen mode, all those settings. You can change those up if you want. Okay, that's pretty much it on the interior here. It's in beautiful shape. Let's take a look at the visors on this one. Super nice. Really great shape. Vehicle's in beautiful condition. Looks amazing. All right, stay tuned, guys. We're going to go ahead and take it for a test drive. We'll be right back. Okay, we're all set to take it for a test drive here. We have it in gear ready. It's already in drive. Let's go take it for a spin. Feels super quiet. So nice. There we go. Drives beautifully, super quiet, a lot of power, feels good. Good acceleration, steering is nice and smooth. It's a really nice drive. Super smooth. Okay, well that pretty much concludes our test drive. We're gonna go ahead and pull into a parking lot here real quick. We're gonna test out the backup camera. This one's got a really nice one. It's like a widescreen. So nice. Drives super nice, super smooth. Very impressive. Okay, here we go. We're gonna go ahead and put in reverse, and we're gonna see the backup camera pop up here on the dash. Look at that, so nice. Okay, so it has those lines there that when you turn the steering wheel, it actually shows you which way the vehicle is going to roll back, depending on how the steering wheel is pointed. So that is super nice. Here we go. Fantastic. Beautiful screen, I'll tell you. Really nice. Okay, that pretty much concludes our test drive here. Stay tuned. We're going to come back. We're going to show you all the tires. Going to show you the engine compartment and the storage area in the back. We'll be right back. Okay, we're taking a look at the cargo area in the back. Really nice. Take a look. A little bit of storage on both sides. It's got a little pocket there. Little light. Those seats fold forward if you need more storage. Down below, spare tire. All the tools right beneath it. Really amazing shape. Look at this. Looks brand new. Very nice condition. Beautiful condition throughout. Really amazing shape. Okay, we're taking a look at the engine compartment on this one. Beautiful condition throughout. Looks amazing. Looks brand new. Look at this. Very nice. Super clean throughout. No excuses. Look at this. Beautiful condition all the way through. Super nice shape. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire on the driver's side. Tire's in amazing condition. Looks brand new. Very nice. Rim is clean and in outstanding shape. Let's take a close look. Very nice. Not a mark on it. Goodyear tires all the way around. Looks amazing. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire on the driver's side. Tire's in amazing shape. Look at that. Tire looks brand new. Rim is clean and outstanding condition. Not a mark on it. Let's take a closer look here. Very nice. Goodyear tires all the way around. Really amazing condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire on the passenger side. Tire looks amazing. Looks brand new. Rim is clean and outstanding shape. Let's take a closer look at it. Really nice condition. Look at that. Very nice condition all the way through. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire. Front tire on the passenger side looks brand new. Very nice condition. Take a quick look at the rim. Rim's clean and in beautiful shape. Look at that. Very nice condition. Not a mark on it. Really beautiful condition throughout. Okay, well that's going to conclude our video for this 2024 Chevrolet Trax RS model. Vehicle's in beautiful condition, inside and out, really outstanding shape. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046 or visit our website for more information. National Auto Sale LLC.com. Thanks for watching.